Hello. 5 minutes to strategize for 5 days beginning 12th October. On Friday, the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das made a beautiful interplay between impudence and imprudence to bring out the underlying for his optimism about the economy. The reconstituted Monetary Policy Committee, with the 3 new external members gave a very categorical assurance which assuaged any apprehensions the market could have been harboring about likely rise in interest rates, at least for the next 1 year. The committee was also very emphatic in placing growth over inflation in the medium term. The governor also very deftly imparted the required confidence to the market to see through the second half borrowing program without an immediate reduction in repo rate during the current review. The market also reacted in the affirmative, with the 10-year benchmark bond yield softening by 5 basis points to 5.94%. The reduction in risk weightages on housing loans and the increase in the granularity of the retail loan portfolio are expected to spur growth into this segment. The US dollar index remained firm at 93, and rupee also was little changed from last week and closed at 73.16 against the dollar. However, as we move closer to the US presidential election month, rupee could show signs of depreciation towards 74 or even marginally beyond. Concomitantly, a sell-off in gold can also be expected. Though week over week, the metal gained $30 to close at 1,929 an ounce. During the week next Friday, a host of data is expected in the US markets, including the retail sales and industrial production index. The equity markets maintained a continuingly gaining momentum and closed the week at around 500 points higher. The HDFC twins were mainly contributing to the rise in Nifty, besides TCS earmarking 16,000 crores for an announced buyback at 3,000 rupees. However, the investors spurned the other buyback of Vedanta at 87.25 as a prelude to their delisting plans. Maybe the memory is very fresh in the investors' minds about Hexaware delisting price getting a revision from 264 to 475. The options volatility also is expected to be moving higher, with already the VIX 50 retracing to 20.38 in 1 day. The gains in Nasdaq index on Friday is likely to keep the momentum in the Indian Nifty to higher levels on Monday. Have an interesting week ahead.